All right, let's see what it looks like outside. All right, for my little breakfast, I got my eggs. I got this swirl toast, some leftovers from yesterday, and some cheese I'm gonna mix into it. Here's my little cooking setup I got. All right, so I just got done eating before we go on this trek. As you can see, the weather is way better over there, and then right here it's still kind of cloudy, so I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm probably gonna go chill in the hammock for a bit, but yeah, I'm gonna walk up there first, or I'll probably just go do that right now. Wait for the weather to get better. Oh, there's a little fox. All right, we're at the top of the hill here, or the little mountain. So we're gonna look down and see where my camping spot's at, and then we'll look at some of these trees here. Now let's get to this part here. And that's where I'm camped at right there. Okay, I'm in the Petrified Forest Museum right now, and there's a lot of crazy shit in here. I'm gonna try to keep it really quick because I'm actually running low on battery storage right now. So, dang, look at this quartz. Yeah, but I'll go ahead and flip the camera around so I can kind of show you what's going on. But there's a lot of stuff going on in here. Damn, look at these agates. These ones look pretty crazy looking. They're all like blue. Kind of reminds me of Larimar. Ellensburg blue agates, that's what it's called. I wonder where you can buy those at. Look, this one's called Picture Wood. A little owl. That one says it looks like a girl. I don't see it, but it looks cool. That one does look like some kind of ocean view. And that one's ducks. A guy with a top hat and another dude. Wow, they actually do look like some pictures of something. I just don't really know what. Alright, so this is the entrance here for the trailhead for the Petrified Vlogs. Alright, here we go. Here's a little structure. Oh, it's a little museum. That's cool. This is kind of the way we're gonna go right now. There's a small one, and then there's a 3-mile one. And then those are the different types of logs we're gonna see. All right, so we just left the little structure there. It looks like it was used back in the day when they were actually excavating the area to look for all these. So we're gonna go ahead and do the hike right now. Ooh, look at, they got the rattlesnakes. Yeah, this is where I'm at right now on the hike. It's just all like that everywhere. Here's my fucking heavy ass jacket. All right, I kind of underestimated the hike here just because I didn't think it was gonna be all incline, so I didn't bring any water or anything. But also, I thought these logs were gonna be all freed up, but they have them in cages and stuff, which is probably understandable because people will try to steal them, but they're in there. All right, I'm gonna start heading back to the car now. I don't think I'm gonna find that weird sculpture thing I'm looking for because there's just so many loops here and different trails. But yeah, look how crazy it looks. Hella fucking hot. All right, we got the fire. We got the GameCube going. Let's see what we're gonna play. Actually, just playing Zelda the Wind Waker, but Lord of the Rings does sound good. Alright, so we're back in the tent. As you can see, there's a crazy windstorm going on right now, so we're gonna go ahead and continue our gaming in here. Alright, so I'm at the final night, or final day. I'm gonna wake up right now. There was a crazy windstorm last night, so I gotta see what happened. A whole bunch of shit fell over, so I'm gonna go check it out right now.